But the reason why I think it works like this a lot better is because all the muck and debris at the bottom, it's probably all murky, so all the fish are flying a little bit higher. So they're passing by this worm more often instead of the worm being down here with all that murk and all that debris down there. I don't think they're trying to be down there feeding off the bottom right now. All these fishers are trying to feed off the top. That's what I believe. That's why they're all jumping out. Let's see if we cast a little further down. Go ahead and leave that right there. Ugh. I gotta wash these gloves. These gloves smell like the fish from 3 videos ago. Oh, there it is. There we go. There we go. We got a fighter. This dude's he's angry. And he does not want to be caught. Oh, that was a massive creek chub. Yo! Did you got? Oh my god! I don't even think I caught that on camera.